How to log in into Glint Employee Account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Glint Employee Account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the Glint login page. You can do this by typing glint.com in the address bar and press enter. Once you are on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner and click on it. You will be directed towards the login page. On the login page, enter your email address and password in the respective field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link to reset it and follow the on-screen instructions. After entering your credentials, click on the login button below the password field. If your login details are correct, you will be logged in into the Glint Employee Account. From here, you can access various features such as performance review, employee engagement survey, and feedback tools. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Glint Employee Account. If you have any questions or need help, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this.